Hello, guys. It's me, and it's been few good days that I wasn't here, but I didn't have that much, I guess, fire these days. But I still have, guys, and I'm just gonna improvise today, as don't have really clear idea. I guess we're gonna open Ableton and we just jump into it. I remember last time we were creating something, but we're not quite there yet. But we're going there, guys, that's for sure. I've been checking the last album of Travis Scott, Utopia, right? I don't know. I don't really feel that much for that album, even I'm a big fan of Travis. But, maybe I need more time. Who knows? But I don't feel the magic there. It's a great album, of course, it is. But since I listened like a sicko mode last track on the last album of Travis, right? Sicko mode in the last album, Afterward. Oh, that was crazy, guys. That was so fire there. But I had some favorite tracks like the one that Beyonce or with Playboy Carti Fame. It's nice. It's weird. It's nice. I like weird. It's with typical Playboy Carti and Travis style, and there's a lot of vibe of Kanye West there, right? Yes, and what else? It's all right, yeah. Yes, guys. So we are in Ableton now. I don't know if we create something from scratch. I was actually listening some tutorials as always. I can, go into my days watching Joe Rogan podcast or watching some tutorials or some other different podcasts as well. But I can see there is one update there, guys. Let's see what's that there for us waiting. It's who? Inspire Bastan. That might be a sign that we will discover something interesting. Yes, it's a processing, right? It's installing. Yeah, it is. Oh yeah, it's always usually there's a 0% for a while, then everything go quick, and then 100% slow down and stops. It's like always with Windows update. But guys, I don't know what's happened. I don't really have that much, wheel, and I wanted that push myself too much too, because I know that won't be good. If I push myself, drag myself, I was actually in a big long walk yesterday in the Killaloe, the village in Ireland. It's nice to connect with the nature, as is this part of recording electronic music album, I guess important one. But in Ireland, it's bad that we don't have that much forests here. At least in my area, like I would maybe go in the next weekend to explore more stuff and record some sounds. I had some ideas for this video, like I make some even notes, but I don't know, guys. I didn't feel like to even search for that note, and I was make that notes in my workbook when in the notebook when I'm working. And every time when I take off that notebook, in that notebook I have some important passwords and stuff for some Adobe programs and other things. And then like usually when I take that when I'm not at work in the week time and I bring that here, I'm all usually forgot that notebook to my work then. So yeah, so we will be doing everything what we have and just focus on like creating, right? The music, always the search for the great sound. Yeah. Also, guys, there remember now the Safdie brothers movies like Uncut Gems. Another one I forgot the name now, but it was with Robert Pattinson and it's on Netflix. Safdie brothers. There's two brothers. One it's usually play in the movie. I remember, yeah, they plays in the movie. Both, I guess, or the one of the brothers. Another one is both are directing, but one is playing inside. So they have a nice music of one. He's strange names. This guy always, but I like him. As you see, there's a new podcast with Post Malone and Joe Rogan. It's 4 hours. Would be nice. But the guys that we are searching is one hot tricks point netrix. Yeah, it's a one tricks point never. It's wow, really good sounds. And that's the movie with Safdie Brothers movie. That's a soundtrack for that. It's a good time. So the movie is a good time. It's a movie before Uncut Gems. It's really good. Uncut Gems is the Adam Sandler and have really great soundtrack. So that's the second movie on, and the previous, I mean, before Uncut Gems, Good Time, and with the Robert Pattinson. So it's really good. So that's one hot tricks point never. It's a great name of a guy, and he have a good songs, nice atmospheric albums, music, and fresh sounds for me. Oh yeah, that's a Daniel Lopatin, Brooklyn-based musician, composer, and Mercury Prize-nominated producer who records and performs as One Tricks Point Never. It's a great character to listen and to explore. You can check his Instagram too, guys. Daniel Lopatin. That's him. I'm not gonna put. Oh, how I not follow him? That's strange. I'm sorry for that. Yes, Vangelis, the legend, guys. The legend. Oh, I can put some heart. Fire. It's ultimate love, right? The legend. Yes. Oh, nice. Okay, so that's Daniel Lopatin. Amazing sounds. Not sounds. I forgot even names of that, guys. So that's synths, right? Synths. So that's something that I can recommend, and always guys in Spotify, that's you exploring. It's you're going to one artist that you like, and then you have lots of recommendation at the bottom. There's a place that you can discover him more. See the list, playlist, artist playlist, and the playlist that he is included on. So that's something really, really good. So we just installed something. What that was? Inspired. Yeah, that was this, guys. I know there was update. We have some samples here. 1.5 BPM. Okay, I put that sample in what? That's someone else's music, right? I would like to create something like that myself. Maybe if I get some collection like of sounds. Okay, that's AIF. That's that's audio. Let's go here. MIDI, audio or MIDI. I don't know. That's good converted. Yeah, I know we can loop that. For this time, and then I could put some MIDI effect, or no, that's a sound one. We can put this and create something, maybe. Beat repeater. Whoa. Peter, okay. What about delay? Okay. Fade. Interesting. Yeah. So where we are in Max for Life. Now we were in the packs. Nice samples, but to have a feeling that I create something, I have to really play that. Even if I don't know how to play, that's not excuse that they're gonna use someone else samples. But I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Maybe that's a common things to do. Maybe. That's granulator, right? And that's makes some sense. No. Nope. That doesn't. But I remember we played that before at granulator. Yeah, let's maybe explore in that in here some nature sounds. Rough. I like raw. There is some raw sounds. Our sounds, that's kind of typical, guys. Oh, the vocal trick dominating. What I would do, forest sounds. Okay, I love forest. I would like to visit some forest. That's rain in the forest, right? Okay, people ambient. Oh no, relaxing crowd talking. You can try something like that. 1 hour. Okay. Maybe there was some particular song that I really liked before, and there was some love. Some girls talking like Burial usually do, right? So maybe we could start something like that. But that must be something that I really like, you know? I cannot just look for sentence about love and find something. That must be something that I made in real life, you know? I think, because that will have the much more power than I just improvise here and I just find something that I didn't meet before. I didn't encounter in my life. So there was some nice songs that I really like it. Oh yes, but I don't remember where was some the nice. We will get something. We will get. It will be something in pop, I would say. That's a nice atmospheric sounds. Alex Lustig. Elemental is very good too. Right, now I know, guys, there was a classic Rihanna song. We can get some samples from that. I know that's one of the first kind of songs of Rihanna. It's not Umbrella, but it's even before. Unfaithful, yeah. But we can't really listen to that. But I will get that song. Can we get some sample from that, right? That's the address there. I like that song. It's sad, but I like. Whew, I don't have to be perfect, right? Okay, let's get that. And today day it's 15. No, daily vlog 15. Daily, which is not daily, right, guys? That's I wonder if there is something that I can do to don't project that sound. Soundforge. Yeah, if we're gonna get the bits by bits, that's not gonna be harm. Alright. Now there's a new drivers for NVIDIA, which we should install. Maybe tomorrow we do. Okay, starting now. I still remember we had a Star Wars song samples prepared. Okay. With some bass. Oh, I love that. Yeah, piano. That's piano would be nice actually to put that in your songs and do something. It's here. Remember, it was this bass on the back. Alright, it's a nice piano, first step. And we can call that as a project too, right? Yes, we can. Rihanna Unfaithull sample. How was that in the Star Wars? Sound for samples. I think it was a normal way. Yes, alright. MP3 samples. Quite interesting. Samples. Okay, it's gonna be 001 piano. After that we have more piano. Another little bit of change. It's here. And that's important too. think she started there. It's very nice piano. Okay, let's do that as a piano too. Do I save as MP3? I don't think so, no. We should do that. There should be MP3. Yeah, there is. Okay. 320. That's great. .320 is fine. File recent. No. Recent. No. There. Sample 1. And then save as piano 1. Yes. No. Okay, I can continue from here. I love that, so subtle. I can really recognize that. My phone. Turn off the sounds, just. Okay. This kind of ending of a previous sample should end with that beginning, but it is what it is, right? MP3 3. And she will start here. Wow. That's zoom, right? No, it's not a zoom. That's something else. There's zoom. It's not a really zoom. Maybe. Oh, that's nice. The proper one. I'd like to zoom more. You don't want that to start there on this big pie. See, I don't really get it. That's not a really zoom. Next edit tool. Okay, I think it will be good. Neck. That's the one. Yes. Right. Good. No, just okay.
Sorrow in my soul.
That can be recognizable, right?
Sorrow in my soul. Searching for the
That's the
story in my life. Story in my life. Searching for the right. But it keeps avoiding me. The clouds are rolling in because I'm gone again.
so she that's nice. And what's that mean? Can I record something like that? Record somewhere? I don't know. Oh no, I can't. PT, right? It would be nice, something just to kind of improvise. What if we get that part when she's singing? She's starting here. And we take that until there. Ctrl C and put in the new. And we have that device there. Play not normal. Aim. Arm. Okay. Disappear. That'd be nice too.
story in my
searching for the right, but it keeps avoiding me.
So good, right? How do I make that? Let's voice. Let's save as a voice. Let's guys play that inside Ableton. That would be nice if that works. We could have a nice stuff there for our song. Nice sample, right? I'm really happy. Yeah, I have something like that. Let's check if it's recording. It is. How many minutes? Here we are, half an hour already. I can't believe that. So we're gonna check Rihanna. If we can put that and do something like that, right? In Ableton.
Searching for the right, but it keeps avoiding me. Sorrow in my soul, 'cause it seems that
I would like to have rate 60 forever.
loves my company. He's more than a man, and this is more than love. The reason that the sky is blue.
070.
Clouds are rolling in 'cause I'm gone again.
0.55.
To him I just can't be true.
Alright, then we can have that as a save as, or no. That's not piano, that's a voice, guys. Voice. 2 0.55 rate. Let's check if that works. I hope that will work, guys. Yeah.
Story of my life.
Nice.
Searching
Oh.
for the right, but it keeps avoiding
Me.
me.
No.
Sorrow in my soul,
That's cool.
'cause it seems that wrong really loves my company.
We have that, and that's a yeah. We do that as well with the piano, guys. That's nice. Let's just experiment, right? Let's put that, Control C, put that new, and let's put that guy 0.40. Wow. Can I add some effects here from that? Delay. I like that. Interesting. Chorus. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We can have a nice play here too, in Soundforge. Cool. What else do we have here? Chorus, delay. I would wizard the fix delay. He was do that alone. Interesting. Long 4, please. That's nothing. It's kind of fast. What's happened if I put that? Okay. Interesting. I like that. Pitch bend. Ooh. Cool. Yeah. Noise gate, flanger, wah wah. Ooh. Bouncing flange, yes. That's cool, man. That's. Don't know if we can get something like that inside the Ableton. Let's pin that next. It's very important program, guys. There. Okay, let's just play now. We have samples. We have voice. Let's put that there. Okay, that's probably we have an open SoundForge. Yeah, that could be the problem. Let's just save us. Stereo piano good. Different rate, yeah. What kind of rate we have here? Was 040 rate. Let's just save that. Close. And save a project. SoundForge project. Right, we all good. I don't hear that. Let's open sampling Unfaithull. Okay. Let's check if everything else works. That's effects. We need to go in packs. Spectral texture, sounds, ambient and evolving. Yeah, there is sounds here. Okay. Voice.
Story of my life.
055. That should be. Okay, we have an audio track, so we need to put audio effects. Drive and color. Drum bass. I don't know what's that, but
Story.
dump, yeah, we need to always.
Story of my
Nah. Erosion, okay. White and dirty. Whoa, that's very dirty.
Story of my life.
The latest gentleman.
Story of my life. Searching for the right, but it keeps avoiding me. Story of
No. See that we can't really get so quick something like we have there. Yes.
story. Story.
That's nothing changed really. Spectral. Yeah, just for the sounds like SoundForge, it's, I don't know, it's so intuitive, more kind of way. And here it's just, I need to look more.
Story of my life, searching for the right.
That's not bad.
Story of my life.
For the right, but it keeps avoiding me.
Big robots. It's bad, not bad. Beat repeat.
For the right, but it keeps avoiding me.
Sorrow in my soul, cause they're wrong. For the right, but it keeps avoiding.
Yeah, I would like to add some noise too. First, noise. Experimental noise mallet. No, 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 no. Here. Okay. Nice mallet.
In my life. In my life.
This part here, how? It's that something here, no?
In my life. Story in my life.
What?
Story in my life.
Yeah, I don't know really what's that, but sounds interesting. If I... That's okay. I would like to mute that at the moment. Off, right? Input. No. In samples, we have a samples here. We have somewhere, right? There are some noises. Cool. Vinyl noise, it's good. Okay, if I do, he will be looped. That's what I like, yes.
Story in.
And that fella, we go here, and then we have different audio effects. Noise, yes. And this guy should be off. Okay.
In my life. Searching for the right.
Okay, we get some fun here, that's for sure. But that piano rate, it doesn't really export as we should, as we would like to have. I like that I can loop that easily. So good, right? For a first time. Okay, we need some effects here, guys, that's for sure. Distortion, definitely. Wait, what? That should be go here. No, we didn't. Ah, right. Okay. That's our arm one. Well, we don't need the arm. Okay, 0 to 5 voice, and then we can put down, right? Volumes if we want. Yeah, guys, that's a nice play, but we again are already half an hour and I have to go for a quick walk before sleep because I have to go early to bed because I'm getting wild with my sleep patterns, really, and I'm working tomorrow. But guys, let's save that as a Rihanna Playground Unfaithful. That was kind of fun, I guess. We learned something new, not too much, but always something. It's I live set. No, it's not the live set. That's new live set. Okay, it's called live set. No, all right. We saved there. No, that's same saved live set. All right, that's fine then. So guys, so I need to call actually my daily vlog, not really daily vlog, right? But that's 0 day 15. I mean, that's a 15 day of working. Like, it's maybe 30 day past, but I was doing different things also, like on my Monk channel and my Curious Collider and some other stuff. Yeah. Okay, so let's call that Rihanna mixing, no mixing, remix. Rihanna Playground Play. Okay, 0:15, save that, and we will continue playing, guys, in the next day. Okay, and for today, guys, thank you so much for watching me, and please subscribe. That will help for the channel to grow much faster. And yeah, and I'm starting already editing the videos from daily vlogs, and I kind of converting them for some more digestible videos that will be maybe easier to watch than like a big chunk of processing kind of my videos, process kind of way as we have them in daily vlogs, guys. So thanks so much, guys, and we see you very soon. Big love, guys. Leave a like and subscribe. Thanks so much.